place being abandoned for 2 years, Trace. Of course there's no one home.
Can I help you, Dylan?
Oh, sorry, man. Do you work here?
I'm the caretaker, yes.
Oh, I'm Nick Copper, and this is my associate, Jack Jackson. Hey, we heard about this great park of yours, and we thought we might come check it out. What?
This place isn't for sale if you're wanting to buy it.
No. We're fresh out of uni, and we're just here looking for a job. Will you stop that?
I don't understand why you'd want a job here. This place has been shut for ages. But I can show you around if you like.
That'll be great.